Hello world, my name is Savorinen, Jukka-Petteri Savorinen, and I think there is very big possibility for big earthquake. Like now it's February 18th and there was already sun eclipse, and little bit before there was Earth, Moon and Mars white straight alignment. And when you have a straight alignment, there is strong dark energy activation, any kind of energy what physicists don't understand. So Earth, Moon and Mars, and then Earth, Moon and Sun with sun eclipse, and then there was today already was Earth, Moon and Venus, also white straight alignments. But next night, 18th and between 19th February 2026, Mercury are going to be straight behind Moon. Not we can't see that from Finland, but there is some areas in Earth where they can see that Mercury like moving behind Moon, straight behind Moon. And when you have a straight alignment, there is very strong expanding dark energy activation, what physicists don't understand. And finally, 20th February 2026, there is Earth, Saturn and Neptune. It is already works like weeks, but now we have Earth, Moon, Saturn and Neptune. But this Earth and Moon alignments, it's not go straight that way where is Saturn and Neptune, just same kind of situation what there was like a 2024, every 2 weeks. Very straight alignments with Earth, Moon and Saturn, and after one day Earth, Moon and Neptune. And there was like this kind of huge heavy rains and floods, and like Valencia there was dying over 200 people for not good reason, because if these scientists just listening to me, they can warning people when there is this kind of straight alignments where is Earth, Moon and some gas planets. And if you have 2 gas planets with one day, Earth, Moon and Saturn, and after one day Earth, Moon and Neptune, huge heavy rains and floods some areas. Yes. But now we just check out if there's coming something like a new Kamchatka, July 2025, because there was long alignments with Earth, Saturn and Neptune, and finally there was 28th July Earth, Moon and Mars white straight, and 29th Earth, Moon and Saturn and Neptune, just like we get now 20th February 2026. So very big possibility for same kind of happening like Kamchatka 8.8 Richter earthquake. Just check out what's going on. And finally, yes, now it's January, February, Mars. There's Mars. Saturn and Neptune are going to be behind Sun, not straight, but they are going to be behind Sun about same times. There is 3 days. 22nd and 25th. Between these there is strong activation with Earth, Sun and Saturn, Earth, Sun and Neptune. But why it's rare? It is rare because the Saturn Moon making disket which is straight that way where is Sun, and also behind Sun is Earth. And there is a lot of these kind of strong dark energy activation quickly with Saturn massive moons, again and again and again and again and again. So just be ready for Mars. I think something strange might happening because of Saturn and Saturn massive moons disket. It is that way where is Sun and Earth. Lot of these kind of strong dark energy, expanding dark energy activation, what physicists don't understand. Yes, it is not space which expanding. Center of nuclear atoms, there is traffic areas where is expanding energy is more density. So these expanding traffic areas just expanding and recycling expanding dark energy expanding pushing force and pushing each other the same way what they're expanding. So you can say that nuclei of atoms expanding and recycling expanding dark energy, which have a nature of electrons and photons, which also expanding. Yes, also photons expanding and electrons. And later you have same expanding photon, but different expanding energy, because there is these recycling systems in very small scale also. So when you can see far away galaxies where is coming these expanding light, expanding photons, it's same expanding photons which start moving that way where we are long time ago, but different expanding energy with these expanding photons, because there is this recycling system every scale, very big scale and very small scale. Yes, big scale also. These galaxies are huge particles, expanding particles which was born quickly centered to outside without any kind of attraction forces. And these galaxies are like information for this kind of so extremely massive and density system. It is emit energy which have a nature of expanding galaxies. But we can't see that system. It's a far away outside expanding visible universe. And the whole expanding visible universe moving very fast away from this system, which is far away from us. And Milky Way galaxy is here, and this is area what we can see. And one moment whole bucket is here, and this area where we was visible universe, it's outside expanding visible universe. And next moment we are here, and that's the way we moving faster and faster. And after millions, billions years, there is this kind of extremely massive and density systems which emit energy which have a nature of expanding galaxies. And our energy moving extremely fast, and we can call it with this extremely density energy, and we can get this energy expanding faster. And now there is energy which moving through expanding visible universe one moment, through expanding quarks, and get this expanding quarks expanding faster. So sun movement, it is illusion. And it is too much for flat earthers. But for globe earthers, it is too much that this apple movement, falling apple movement that way where is Earth center, it is illusion. Yes, expanding apple pushing away, moving away from expanding Earth center, but not so fast for expanding Earth surface. Yes, there is this kind of expansion, and it works all the time, but space don't expanding. Albert Einstein opened physics Pandora box with this stupid idea that space curving. It is same kind of concept like anti-gods was. Zeus create lightning some way to somehow, and this god, which name is curving space, can get apple falling down some way to somehow. But there is no this kind of god like a curving space, and no this kind of god like an expanding space. And these kind of gods like a bubbling and waving space, it's very stupid idea. Space can't do anything at all. Only losers explain phenomena with hocus pocus space-time which play tricks. Space is infinite and three-dimensional stage which is nothing. So space can't do anything at all. That's the way it's going. Yes. And this galaxy center supermassive concentrations was born with own three-dimensional Big Bangs, and these expanding supermassive concentrations just emit trillions and trillions expanding dark matter particles, and there was born very quickly new expanding stars like from nothing when two expanding supermassive concentrations moving near each other long time ago. And these expanding galaxies was born very quickly centered to outside. And this is what they can see with James Webb Telescope. Massive and ready galaxies, very young visible universe. And they can't explain how it's possibility. And it is because there is no any kind of attraction forces, no blending forces in small scale, like a pulling force. No way. Just expanding pushing force. That's the way it's going. You just Google Savorinen and Google yes, and read how universe really works. Like Uusi Suomi blogi and also Facebook. Facebook is very nice place for you. Just try to find Jukka-Petteri Savorinen. Okay, cheers. Einstein wrong, Savorinen right.